Okay guys, today we are going to the hotel, and it's a beautiful day to go to the hotel because it's my vacation. So we'll be there in a jiffy. We'll see when we get there. So now we got in the hotel. It's really comfy. I'm gonna call somebody so I can go so I can get food, but first I'm gonna take a nap right now. Oh, I'm so tired. So now I'm gonna put my pajamas on. So here's my luggage. Let's see. So you have your pajamas right here. Oh. So your pajamas, your food thingy, your pajamas are right here. And now, oh, you forgot your thing. So now we're going to put your pajamas on. Alright, I got in my pajamas. Now I've got to go to bed. So, going to put my blankie on, and then I'll call room service. So now, put your beautiful, or I'm going to go to sleep, so I'll call you later. So I'll talk to you guys when I go to sleep.
Let's say you were cruising around in your car and you had no equipment riding shotgun. Stop and assist
The 20 minutes later. Good morning, guys. Well, I just fell asleep and I'm already pumped up. So I'll call room service to tell them. So, well, I think I might go to sleep more. I don't know. So, I don't know idea. So, I think I'll just call room service. I'll starve. Yeah, really tired. So I'll go get the phone. BRB. Okay, guys. I'm a little bit more waked up. I have the phone right next to me. So I'm gonna call right now. Beep, beep. Let me get the phone way closer to me. So, let me get the beep beep. Hello, how may I help you? Well, may I have some room service? Oh yes, what would you like? Is it morning already? Oh yes, can I have some breakfast, please? With some donuts. Oh, sure. I will gladly do that. Okay, thank you. Bye. Alright, guys. So, I'll just wait for room service to get here. Okay, guys. So, since somebody ordered some room service of breakfast because it's morning already, which I'm going to open the blinds. See, it's already morning. Yep, which we are all going to do today. So, since we're gonna make some breakfast, we're gonna probably open this. Shh. I have some eggs. It's okay. I think I'll just put one. First, let me. Alright. So let me just make some more. Okay. Let's put some salt. While I get a plate. Get that plate. So, alright. Okay, egg is ready. That's probably good. Now we're gonna put some bacon. One bacon. And another bacon. So now there's like 3 bacons in here. So I'm gonna put some more salt. So that's probably ready. So let me put this. Alright, now we're gonna get some donuts. Here's the donuts. Put the donuts in here. Purple one. Oh, backwards. Purple one. And a pink one. Okay. Put the donuts. I think I'll put the donuts in another plate because there's like no space on the plate. So some delicious breakfast dessert. Purple ones in here. Close it up here. Some beautiful breakfast. Here's a tray. So I'm gonna put the tray right with the food. So we're gonna go take it to the one who messaged it. Let's come in. Alright. Sir, your food. Thank you. How kind are you? Oh, thank you. I am so happy that you did this for me. Thank you. Here's the end of our video, but it doesn't have to end, but it does have to end. So thank you for watching and have a